It is absolutely free to sign up to this new platform that we never talked about. All in. And they will pay you 16 again and again. No matter where you're coming from. Because it works worldwide. You just need to use the second platform. Copy something from there and paste it into this platform. It'll only take you less than 30 seconds to do so. And if you stay until the end, not only will I show you how to earn more money, but I will also give you one tool that will basically do all the work for you. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before all of that, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Leave a thumbs up if you love making money online so we can hit 10 likes on this one. If you haven't already, do yourself a favor and by clicking the red subscribe button with the notifications on and become member of our channel Your Money Mel, so I can notify you right away whenever I have new and fresh strategies to make money online. So this is the platform from which you will be making money. As you can see, they promise to deliver bigger, better, faster, stronger and safer ways to make money online. It works worldwide. And it's absolutely free. Now the way this platform works is by uploading each file over there. You will upload the files that they will promote to their users. And whenever someone downloads that file, you will get paid instantly. Uploading the files to this website is free, and the more files you upload, the more money you will make. So I will show you which files we will be uploading and where to actually get them for free for the best results possible. Now the reason why they are actually paying you is because whenever someone clicks the download button on this website and they try to download one of your files, they will be redirected to some landing page for ads. They will be shown ads which they will skip, and as soon as they skip those ads, they will be able to download that file which you have uploaded. So this platform is just splitting the ad revenue with you. Both you and this platform are making money from ads. Now that's not really important for you. What really is important are the files you upload and the earnings you will make. It's as simple as that, and I will explain to you step by step on how to do so. Now if we go over to this section where it says make money, right here you will be able to see that you can get paid up to 16 per 1,000 downloads that you get for your files. And in order to cash out from this website, you need to have at least 25. So once you have that, which is less than 3,000 downloads, you will be able to cash out your earnings. Now if you want to make even more money with this website, you can refer your friends and family through this website. If you know someone that would also like to make extra cash online, go ahead and tell them, hey, here's my referral link. You can sign up to daily uploads, and from there you can get pages for uploading files, or you can simply share it on social media so you can earn extra income as well. In fact, you can raise passive income through referring someone by earning 10% of their lifetime earnings. What this means is that if they make $1,000, you will get $100 without lifting a finger, just because you refer them to this website. This website is called Daily Uploads, and this is over at dailyuploads.net. Once again, dailyuploads.net. Once you've opened the Daily Uploads, I want you to click on the sign up button right here so you can register your account for free. Provide all the basic information required for your account. Create a username here, enter your valid email address, create a password and retype it for confirmation, and optionally enter your payment details here. Once you're done, click the submit button right here. You have successfully registered for dailyuploads.net. Now that you've signed up to Daily Uploads, this is what you will see. You can click here to browse files to upload, or you can just drag and drop different files as well. Remember, the more files you upload to this website, the more money you can make, and you will earn money each time a file is being downloaded. 1,000 downloads will make up to $16. The more downloads you get, the more money you will make. It's easy, it's fast, and it's absolutely free. So where do we get the files that we will need to upload? At Daily Uploads, I actually recommend that you select the files that will be useful to other people. That way they will want to download them from dailyuploads.net. Now you can upload different files like PDF files, ebooks, tutorials, and other useful information which you found online. Hack it up into a Word document and upload them. Or what I personally like to do is to use footages over at pexels.com. This is where you can get free stock photos and videos. Not a lot of people know about this website, but it is incredibly useful and can also benefit those who have files that are on pexels.com. The photos and videos are free, so you can head over to pexels.com. Right now, click on videos right here, and it's going to give you thousands of different stock videos which you can download. This is free of charge, and you get full license to do whatever you want without any attribution to the author. Now that's going to give you thousands of videos that you can use for your files. Just click on the video and click free download right here. It's as simple as that. Now I've got the video downloaded into my computer, free of charge and hassle-free. It only takes 10 seconds or less to do all of that, right? It's really easy and simple to download loads of different videos from pexels.com, and in this website you can literally find thousands of professional stock videos to choose from. Now you can go back to dailyuploads.net and click on the browse button right here. That will open up the folder where you can find the videos you previously got from pexels.com. Let's pick this one and upload it to Daily Uploads. I will simply double click and click start the upload. It will only take a few seconds for the images to successfully upload to dailyuploads.net. Now this is the link which I can share to others, and even if I don't share it at all, Daily Uploads will get us free traffic from their own users to keep earning money. But if you want to get faster results, just copy this link and share it all over the internet to maximize the use of your uploaded files. Remember that the more people you get to download the file through the link, the more money you will make. And the great thing about it is that those who download the file don't need to spend any amount of money at all. They don't need to buy or sign up to anything as well. All they need to do is skip the ads, download the file which you have uploaded for free, and you will get paid in an instant. There is no cost for them, and there is no cost for you as well. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook are good places where you can upload and share your files with others. YouTube is a great place where you can promote your links. You can also use Pinterest or use different forums from findaforum.net. It is an entirely free platform where you can get access to thousands of different forums. They have hundreds of thousands of members, so you can join them, start a discussion, and give them your link. You can invite them and say, hey everyone, you can download free stock footages through this link. It is absolutely free to skip the ads. They will thank you for providing them with files to download for free in just seconds, and you will be able to earn money through it. Just go over to Google and search for files to download and upload them to dailyuploads.net. There are those who are already getting results with it. I hope that this video helped you in learning how to make money online. And if you did enjoy watching this, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel with the notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. As always, thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. You